from the past 4 weeks, Sunny has been practicing the cube and finally he figured it out how to do it quickly, and we are going to time him and record him today. And Sunny, your time starts now. Go.
Okay, keep going.
It's never working. Yeah, it's never gonna work.
Okay, now try. Straight line, you got it.
I don't.
Keep going. Straight line technique, are you doing?
With the straight line, you need FRU. RUF. It's not for URF. It's FRU, RUF. RUF is all.
Finally!
Okay, let's go. There you go. Let's go. Woohoo! 3 minutes 30 seconds.
Oh.
You got stuck with the second row.
I
The
know,
plus.
no, the plus.
Proof that this whole
You
cube
forgot
is
the-
done.
It took a long time to do the plus.
3 hours 30 minutes. Good job, Sunny.
3 hours, 30
No, sorry.
minutes?
3 minutes.
30 seconds.
3 minutes 30 seconds. That was really good job. High five.